To make liquid organic fertilizer from burnt ash and coffee grounds, you need to dissolve the finely sifted ash into water, then ferment it briefly or use it directly in certain doses, because burnt ash is rich in potassium and helps repel pests, but you need to be careful because it is highly alkaline. A simple method is to mix the fine ash, without charcoal, twigs, with water and a little sugar, as a microbial starter. Let it sit, then use it after filtering for root watering or spraying the leaves after further dilution. Materials needed. Wood, burnt ash. Make sure it's clean of charcoal, twigs, water purifier. Coffee grounds or other ingredients for fermentation. Use plastic bottle, bucket, or clean container. Fine sieve. How to make. Sifter the ash. Sift the firewood ash using a fine sieve to separate the fine powder from the charcoal or other impurities. Ensure only the fine powder is used. Prepare the container. Prepare a clean bottle or container. Mix the ingredients. Place the fine ash in the container. Add enough air until almost full, leave room for gas. Then add sugar, about 100 grams for 1 liter of material. Fermentation, optional. Close the container tightly and store in a cool place. Open it briefly every day to release the gas for 2 to 3 weeks, until it turns dark brown. Strain the dregs. Or direct, quick method. Once the ash has dissolved well in water, strain it and use it immediately. Burnt ash and coffee grounds are natural organic fertilizers that are rich in nutrients, NPK, calcium, magnesium, improve soil structure, drainage, aeration, increase microbial activity, control weeds and pests, snails, and help neutralize acidic soil pH, ash, or provide acidic elements, coffee grounds, for certain plants, providing a sustainable solution for plant fertility. Benefits of burnt ash. Nutritional source. Contains potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential for strong root and stem growth. Soil neutralization. Wood ash can neutralize acidic soil, increase alkalinity, and act as a substitute for garden lime. Soil structure improvement. Makes clay soil looser and lighter. Pest control. Sprinkling ash can repel slugs, snails, and moth larvae. Important note. Avoid briquetted ash, as it contains harmful chemicals. Ensure the ash is made from natural wood. Benefits of coffee grounds. Slow-release fertilizer. Releases nitrogen, N, slowly, preventing nutrient leaching. Soil enhancer. Provides NPK, calcium, magnesium, and micronutrients for optimal growth. Soil improver. Improves soil aggregation, drainage, aeration, and air retention. Pest repellent. The particles irritate slugs and snails. Weed control. A layer of coffee grounds acts as a natural mulch. Attracts earthworms. A food source for worms and beneficial microbes. Acid loving. Coffee grounds tend to have an acidic pH, making them suitable for plants that prefer acidic conditions, such as pothos. Application of natural liquid fertilizer or burnt ash and coffee grounds that have been soaked in water is easy to do by pouring it directly onto the base of the plant or spraying it onto the leaves. After contamination with air, general ratio 1:10 or according to the type of fertilizer, preferably in the morning or evening, to provide fast nutrition and help overall plant growth. Make sure the POC is ready, perfect fermentation, and dilute it according to the dosage so as not to cause the soil pH to rise and the plants to wilt. Application method. Dilution. Mix POC with clean water. The general ratio is 1 part POC to 10 to 20 parts air, e.g., 1 liter of POC to 10 to 20 liters of air. For POC made from livestock manure, the ratio is 1 part POC to 4 to 6 parts air. Stir thoroughly until thoroughly combined. Application method. Watering, dripping. Pour the POC solution directly onto the soil around the base of the plant stem. Spraying, foliar. Spray the POC solution onto all leaf surfaces, top and bottom, and the plant stem using a sprayer. Application time. Morning, around 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Afternoon, around 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Avoid midday when the sun is hot or during heavy rain. General intervals and recommendations. Once in 1 to 2 weeks. This is a frequently recommended interval and has proven effective for many plants, such as tomatoes, beans, and cabbage, because it provides sufficient nutrient requirements without overdoing it. Once a week, for certain plants, such as rice, during the dry season, or if you want faster growth. Once in 5 to 10 days. Can be applied when the plants are larger, for example, after 35 days, especially for foliar spraying. Proper application method. Time: morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., when the leaf stomata are wide open. Method: spray evenly onto leaves, especially the undersides, or sprinkle onto the soil, depending on the plant's needs. Concentration: generally 1 to 2%, 10 to 20 milliliters per liter of water, but follow product packaging instructions as dosages vary. Avoid spraying during hot sun, before rain, or in conjunction with fungicides, bactericides. There are several signs that indicate a thriving plant after applying liquid organic fertilizer, POC. These signs are usually visible within a few days to weeks, depending on the plant type and initial conditions. 1. The main signs include faster growth. Plants exhibit more rapid growth in leaves, stems, and roots than before. 1. 2. Brighter green leaf color. Leaves become greener, thicker, and fresher. This deep green color indicates increased chlorophyll production and efficient nutrient absorption. 1. 2. 3. Healthy new leaves. The emergence of numerous new shoots and leaves, which are larger and healthier in appearance. 2. 3. Strong stems and roots. Plant stems feel sturdier and less prone to wilting. If the plant is removed or the roots, in potted plants, are examined, the roots will appear thick, white, and healthy. 1. 2. Increased flowering and fruiting. Flowering plants will produce more healthy flower buds, which then develop into larger, better quality fruit. 1. 3. Resistance to pests and diseases. Naturally fertile plants are stronger and more resistant to pests and diseases because they have a better immune system. 1. Natural organic fertilizers are beneficial for increasing long-term soil fertility by improving soil structure, physical, chemical, and biological, maintaining moisture, preventing erosion, and gradually providing nutrients, resulting in healthier, stronger plants and higher quality harvests. They are also environmentally friendly and safe for humans. Main benefits for soil: improving soil structure, making the soil looser, increasing aeration and drainage, improving long-term fertility, restores soil properties damaged by chemical fertilizers, maintaining soil moisture, helping the soil retain water better. Benefits for plants: complete nutrition source, provides the macro and micronutrients needed by plants, gradual nutrient release,